guys, today I'm talking about cockatiels and their speciality. A cockatiel recognizes you the moment you enter the room. In fact, your avian chum already knew you were coming in the hallway. He or she might even go so far as to attack other family members in a protective gesture. That's how much they know who you are and want to keep you safe. How they communicate. Eyes. If the eye flickers and the pupils dilate quickly, the bird is excited and very interested in what it sees, or is angry, scared, and even aggressive. If the bird is singing, talking, and whistle, that means that bird is happy, healthy, and relaxed. A vague murmur can be quite a nit as a sign of pleasure, and it can also be very loud and most often occurs during the period when you are teaching the bird to say meaningful words. This is the stage where the bird has not yet fully managed to mimic the words you repeat to it. Spinning birds does not sound like spinning cats, but more like quietly growling. It can be a sign of satisfaction but also of anxiety. Tongue clicking on the beak is saying that bird wants to have fun and play. It's usually an invitation to cuddle and then let your pet out of cage and have fun together with treat. A loud roar is a sign of aggressive vocalization. If your feathered pet growls loudly and panicked, look around and remove anything you think the bird is bothering. Some birds roar when they don't want to be touched by the owner, and then they should not be disturbed. Aggression occurs when they are scared, insecure, or feel uncomfortable in the presence of other pets or even people. Turning the wings can mean a lot of different things, such as anger or the bird is suffering some pain. Birds also flutter their wings when they want to trim their feathers and down. If this wing position is accompanied by raising and lowering the shoulders and head, the bird is seeking attention and most likely hungry. This behavior can also be a sign that the bird is ready to mate. Raising the wings. If a bird flutters its wings in place, it is a sign that it needs attention. It can also be a sign of happiness and joy, or a simple exercise to stretch its wings. Similar to dogs, birds wave their tails when they are happy to see you. The birds wag their tails just before urinating. If the bird grinds, it rubs the upper part of the beak against the lower one with sliding movements. It is a sign of pleasure, and this movement most often happens before bedtime. If a bird clicks its beak when it sees you, it is a greeting, but if it clicks constantly, it is a sign of warning, nervousness, and then it should not be disturbed. If a bird rubs its beak against a cage, means it marks territory. Birds that seek attention or are interested in something wave their heads up and down. Cockatiel is a small parrot that is member of its one branch of the cockatoo family, endemic to Australia. Do not feed these foods to your pet cockatiel. Soda pop, milk, alcohol, candy, cookies, ice cream, cake, avocados, white bread, white rice. Types of cockatiels. Pied cockatiel, cinnamon cockatiel, pearl cockatiel, Brose fallow cockatiel, dominant silver cockatiel, Lutino cockatiel, dominant yellow-cheeked cockatiel, white-faced cockatiel. Recognizing feelings by crest, head and beak. Excited, Happy or sing, eat or drink. Hissing. Angry. Content. Cautious. Tired. Curious.